Cooking at home becomes much easier when you have the right tools. Today, I'll be showing you 20 modern kitchen gadgets that can make your daily cooking faster, cleaner, and more enjoyable. These are not just fancy add-ons but practical tools that really help in the kitchen. I have listed the best ones that every home cook will find useful, whether you're preparing quick meals or trying new recipes. Links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description below. Juicer extractor. Equipped with an upgraded 500 watts high-speed motor, this centrifugal juicer delivers efficient performance with a 3-inch wide mouth that minimizes prep time. Dual-speed controls allow you to juice both soft and hard fruits with ease. Built for safety, it includes a locking arm and overload protection system. The detachable parts ensure effortless cleaning, making it an ideal addition for anyone looking to enjoy fresh, homemade juice daily without the extra hassle. Stockpot. Designed with twist and lock handles and a built-in strainer lid, this pot lets you drain pasta or vegetables without a separate colander. Featuring ultra-non-stick ceramic coating reinforced with diamonds, it ensures quick food release and easy cleanup. Oven-safe and suitable for all stovetop foods, it supports healthier cooking without oil or butter. Its toxin-free design guarantees safety, and the durable coating withstands metal utensils for long-lasting kitchen performance. Hand towel dispenser. Featuring a sleek, modern design, this dispenser offers one-at-a-time towel dispensing to reduce waste and promote hygiene. The easy refill system with a side-opening hood simplifies maintenance, while the clear viewing window allows quick stock monitoring. Ideal for offices, restrooms, or public spaces, it helps users take only what they need, minimizing cross-contamination and improving cleanliness. Its practical yet stylish build blends effortlessly into any washroom or professional setting. Mini coffee scale. With 0.1 gram precision and a 2,000 gram capacity, this ultra-mini espresso scale ensures accurate coffee measurements every time. It features multiple smart brewing modes and flow rate tracking for perfect coffee-to-water ratios. The Type-C rechargeable battery, auto-off function, and hidden LED display add convenience. Compact and travel-ready, it fits neatly under espresso machines, while the heat-resistant silicone mat ensures stability for professional-quality brewing anywhere. Mini fridge. Built with a space-saving single-door design and a 3.2 cubic foot capacity, this mini fridge keeps food fresh in dorms, offices, or bedrooms. The adjustable thermostat offers 5 temperature settings from 33.8 degrees Fahrenheit to 46.4 degrees Fahrenheit, while the crisper drawer and removable shelves enhance organization. Operating quietly at just 38 dB and consuming only 0.5 kilowatt-hour daily, it's both energy efficient and ideal for compact spaces where silence and efficiency matter. Digital triple kitchen timer. Designed with 3 independent 100-hour timers, this kitchen timer helps track multiple dishes or activities simultaneously. Its large backlit display and intuitive keypad make operation quick and easy. The upward angle allows one-handed use, while adjustable volume and stopwatch mode add flexibility. Whether for cooking, baking, or timing workouts, this tool offers precision and convenience. It runs on 3 AAA batteries, included for immediate use. Air fryer. Combining air frying and multi-cooking functions, this versatile appliance uses dual-speed 360 degrees air circulation for crispy, evenly cooked results. With a 26-quart capacity, it can bake pizzas, roast whole chickens, and prepare meals for up to 6 people. The stainless steel exterior with elegant French doors adds style, while automatic shutoff prevents overcooking. It's the perfect countertop companion for healthier, oil-free meals with minimal effort and cleanup. Smart toaster. Featuring advanced InstaGello 2.0 technology, this smart toaster heats up in just 2 seconds, delivering crisp yet soft toast every time. With intelligent algorithms for 38 bread types and a dedicated gluten-free mode, it ensures consistency. The touchscreen interface makes operation simple with 3 taps, while extra-wide slots fit thick slices. A toast tie press and warming rack add versatility for sandwiches, pastries, and more, blending smart design with style. Smoothie blender. Powered by a robust 1000 watts motor, this blender effortlessly crushes ice and blends fruits for refreshing smoothies and shakes. The 24 ounces portable cup offers on-the-go convenience, while 6 stainless steel blades ensure smooth textures. Ideal for juices, sauces, and baby food, it supports a healthy lifestyle with quick prep and easy cleaning. Dishwasher-safe parts make post-blend cleanup hassle-free, perfect for busy mornings or post-workout refueling. Slush and shake maker. Capable of creating frozen drinks in just 7 minutes, this compact maker turns your countertop into a fun treat station. Simply freeze the inner core, pour ingredients, and watch your slush form before your eyes. No electricity needed, making it convenient for home or parties. Ideal for smoothies, milkshakes, and frozen cocktails, it's a family favorite that encourages creativity with endless flavor combinations and simple, hands-on fun. Electric ice cream maker. Enchanting design and effortless one-touch electric operation make this ice cream maker perfect for kids and families alike. Its versatile functionality lets you prepare sorbet, frozen yogurt, soft serve, and gelato, all customizable with healthy ingredients like fresh fruits or low-sugar options. Designed for family fun, it transforms dessert making into a joyful activity, helping everyone enjoy delicious, homemade ice cream while controlling exactly what goes into each treat. Sous vide machine. A powerful 1100 watt precision cooker with quiet, even water circulation delivers perfectly cooked meals every time. The intuitive dial controls allow seamless switching between Fahrenheit and Celsius, while manual calibration and a negative timer offer advanced usability. Its stainless steel cover is removable and dishwasher safe, and the Easy Connect clip attaches securely to any pot. With a bright LED display and broad temperature range, it ensures precision, consistency, and convenience in sous vide cooking. Popcorn maker. Designed to look just like a beloved Star Wars droid, this popcorn maker brings fun and nostalgia to movie nights. Using hot air technology, it pops up to 98% of kernels with no oil, ensuring a healthier snack option. The built-in measuring cup prevents overfilling, while the detachable lid doubles as a charming serving bowl. Easy to use and clean, it combines playful design with efficient performance, ideal for fans and families alike. Knife sharpener. Featuring a professional 3-stage sharpening system, this electric sharpener turns dull knives razor-sharp in seconds. The 100% diamond abrasives deliver long-lasting performance without damaging blades, while the fixed 20 degrees precision angle ensures consistent results. Perfect for chef, slicing, and ceramic knives, it simplifies blade care at home. Its quick operation and professional-grade results make it a must-have for anyone seeking efficient, safe, and effortless knife maintenance in their kitchen. Smart Herb Garden. A patented hydroponic system with app-controlled LED lighting helps plants grow up to 40% faster than soil methods. With customizable 0-24-hour light cycles, watering reminders, and 2 professional light modes, it's designed for effortless indoor gardening. The 12-cup setup, adjustable height, and 5.5-liter tank allow up to 3 weeks of self-sustaining growth. Crafted from stainless steel, it's durable, easy to clean, and backed by lifetime service and remote upgrades. Cocktail and margarita machine. This intelligent cocktail maker crafts bar-quality drinks in seconds using mixologist-designed capsules. Just insert your chosen capsule, select drink strength, and let it blend with your favorite spirits automatically. Offering classic recipes like margaritas and whiskey sours, it eliminates the need for multiple mixers. With automatic cleaning cycles and dishwasher-safe parts, maintenance is effortless. Each recyclable capsule contains fresh ingredients, ensuring every cocktail tastes perfectly balanced and freshly made. Milk maker. Create fresh, plant-based milk in minutes with complete control over ingredients. The machine blends nuts, seeds, or grains into smooth, creamy milk. No soaking or straining needed. Its patent-pending technology separates solids gently, leaving nutrient-rich milk and reusable pulp for recipes. Designed for convenience, it's fast, quiet, and easy to clean, making it an ideal choice for anyone who enjoys dairy-free, customizable milk made simply and efficiently at home. Glass infuser teapot. Enjoy effortless tea brewing with a smart one-touch design that lets you steep and pour seamlessly. Its built-in stainless steel infuser with 1,600 micro holes ensures smooth, debris-free tea every time. Crafted from durable borosilicate glass and double-walled for safety, it's both elegant and practical. Perfect for home, office, or travel, it comes with a stylish carrying case, making it a thoughtful gift for tea lovers and daily tea rituals alike. Sparkling and carbonation water machine. An eco-friendly, cordless carbonation system designed with precision stainless steel nozzles for smooth, refined bubbles. Compatible with renewable CO2 cylinders, it offers sustainable sparkling water creation without electricity. The complete kit includes a BPA-free bottle, drip tray, cleaning cloth, and CO2 cylinder for immediate use. With generous 800 milliliters capacity and broad compatibility, it brings cafe-quality sparkling beverages to your kitchen while promoting sustainability and effortless style. Acrylic cutting board. Crafted from clear, food-safe acrylic, this cutting board keeps your counter stylish and clutter-free. Lightweight yet durable, it's ideal for slicing fruits, prepping meals, or serving snacks. The smooth surface is knife-friendly and easy to clean, just rinse and wipe. Equipped with non-slip silicone dots for safety, it's versatile enough to use as a charcuterie board or pastry mat. Elegant packaging also makes it a great gift for any kitchen occasion. From smart tools that save time to innovative gadgets that make cooking more fun, these 20 modern kitchen gadgets are must-haves for every home cook. Each one brings something unique to your kitchen, helping you prep, cook, and serve with ease and style. To grab the best deals on all the products mentioned in this video, don't forget to check out the links in the description for the latest prices. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, share it with your fellow home cooks, and make sure to hit that subscribe button and bell icon to stay updated with all our latest content, tips, and reviews.